Right, I'm on this Glowworm 24 CXI, and what we got is that the you can see this moving about like that. What's happened is it's blown out of the flow turbine and caused a flood. So you can see that moving like that, which it shouldn't be doing that. So it's water's coming that way through the flow turbine that way, and then, as I said, is blown out like that and caused a major flood, which has gone down here all the way down on the floor through the ceiling and caused quite a bit of damage. So we've got a sticky situation here about who is going to be responsible for this. Is it going to be the supplier or the engineer? This is up for debate. I'd like to get your feedback and see what you think. So that's going to be the end of this short video, and hope to get your feedback.